The 2025 Ram 1500 marks a significant evolution in the full-size pickup segment, blending modern powertrains, refined styling, and cutting-edge technology. One of the most notable changes is the replacement of the traditional HEMI V8 with two new twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engines, delivering up to 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft of torque. This shift not only enhances performance but also improves fuel efficiency, catering to the evolving demands of truck enthusiasts. Aesthetically, the 2025 Ram 1500 receives a refreshed exterior featuring larger grilles, updated bumpers, and standard LED headlamps across all trims. The introduction of the Tungsten trim level brings a more integrated front fascia, eliminating the separate steel bumper for a sleeker appearance. Inside, the cabin boasts a luxurious design with the latest Uconnect system, offering an improved 12-inch or an optional new 14.5-inch touchscreen display, enhancing the overall user experience. In terms of capability, the Ram 1500 continues to impress with its smooth and hushed ride, spacious interior, and advanced features. The new powertrains provide the power of a V8 with better MPG, and the truck maintains its reputation for comfort and practicality. The discontinuation of the TRX model makes way for the new top-end Tungsten trim, which offers a blend of luxury and performance. Looking ahead, Ram is set to introduce the Ram 1500 Ramcharger, an extended-range electric pickup truck combining electric driving with a backup gas-powered generator. This model offers nearly 700 miles of total range, addressing range anxiety concerns and providing a versatile option for consumers. The Ramcharger features a 92 kilowatt-hour battery for 145 miles of pure electric driving, with a 3.6-liter gasoline engine powering an onboard generator for extended range. Turning to Mitsubishi, the 2025 Lancer Evolution 11 has been the subject of much speculation and excitement. While official details remain scarce, concept renders and fan discussions suggest a refreshed design that pays homage to the iconic Lancer Evolution lineage. The anticipation for a new Lancer model reflects the enduring popularity and legacy of the Evolution series among automotive enthusiasts. However, it's important to note that Mitsubishi has not officially confirmed the release of a new Lancer model for 2025. The company's focus appears to be on other segments, and while the idea of a new Lancer Evolution is appealing, it remains speculative at this time. Fans continue to express their desire for a revival of the model, highlighting the lasting impact of the Lancer Evolution in the automotive world. In conclusion, the 2025 Ram 1500 showcases significant advancements in performance, design, and technology, solidifying its position in the competitive pickup truck market. Meanwhile, the potential return of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 11 captures